Hi, this video is about how to fillet or chamfer worktop using advanced worktop. Okay. After you finish layout the cabinet, click the Add button, Worktop, Advanced Worktop. I will extend all the sides first so that we have space to fillet or chamfer. Just click on the side to extend, then input the new size and enter. Repeat the same step on other sides. Okay, now click on one of the green dots. In the point edit window, click on circumscribe arc to fillet. You may edit the tangent length here. Okay, increase the arc segment to smoothen the curve. Let's try on another edge. Select inscribe arc to fillet inward like this. You may also make chamfer. Just click chamfer here and edit the cut the left value to resize the chamfer. When you're done editing, click generate worktop. Edit the section and material as usual, then confirm. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.